Hello and welcome to another room here on TryHackMe. I'm gonna start the machine. It is the room called Tech Support 1. So maybe there is a number 2, I don't know. I just found this and I think it's highly interesting because tech support scammers is really something that is, well, I think it has to be stopped. And I really hate the fact that some people have a business out there trying to cheat people. By their own security that works, or weird logs, I don't know. So really this room is a very interesting short room. We only have one flag to find. It is the root flag, so it says hack into the machine, investigate the target, please allow 5 minutes for the room to fully boot. Note the theme and security warnings encountered in the room are part of the challenge. So I suspect that if we're going to the tech support scammer, I would probably suspect fake error messages and stuff like that. So let's just try and take the IP address and access that through a web page, and we get a default Ubuntu page. And if we look at this, just right click, look at the source. You know, I wouldn't necessarily do that in a production environment because why would anyone do anything to the front page of the Ubuntu default page? We see the default stuff here. You know, we have a path, so it's a Linux server. Well, we already knew that from the start, I guess. And it looks pretty standard, nothing crazy going on here. So what we're gonna do now is basically go ahead and let me just see if I can make this window just a tad smaller because it's extremely large. Let's go ahead and do a nmap scan on, no, I don't know why it does that. It's very, very weird. So I'm gonna copy paste the IP just like that. And first of all, I'm just gonna do a standard scan, you know, no crazy stuff going on, really fast. We got instant response back. So port 22, SSH, port 80, we got some sort of web server going on. We have something NetBIOS, Microsoft. So yeah, it would seem that. And we can also do a all port scan just to, you know, do that. And I'm not really gonna worry too much about, you know, scanning for versions and stuff because I don't think in this particular room, but we could do that. Let's just do that. So let's put on a standard version scan, and let's also do a standard script execution, and let's just start this up. Now while this run, I'm gonna take GoBuster. I don't think it's gonna give us anything. Now this shouldn't start this way, but let's just do it anyways. So we're gonna take GoBuster. So GoBuster, we're gonna scan. No. Oh please. There you go. So we're gonna take the IP address and then we're gonna scan for users, share, word lists, dear Buster, and let's do directory MIDI 2.3 medium. So let's scan the actual website in port 80 just, you know, for stuff. And it was a really good idea we did that because what we see now is a path called WordPress and a path called test. Now we also got a tech support. We also got a ping back here from the nmap scan, full port scan, and we do not get any more ports, so that is the ports we have. We see that it's an Apache server, you know, version seems interesting. Default page, it works. We also have a WordPress. I think just for the instant response of this, it's probably not gonna find anything more, but let's just keep it there. Maybe we're gonna enumerate, you know, on test, but I think on WordPress it's probably gonna be a VP scan or something, but let's see what happens. It's tech support host. We got some SMB stuff going here, and let's see, SSM when required. SMB security mode guests, okay. There's something here maybe we can look at. And yeah, I think that's it for now. But before we look further on this scan here and the results for host script results, let's do a yeah, that's a Samba server. Maybe there's something for that on ExploitDB. I don't know, but let's look at the path here in WordPress. And all right, so I think we're gonna stop the scan and basically go to the website. I think it's there. The test site is yeah, it's the typical, you know, standard stuff you see on scam sites. I think this is just a part of it is a part of the room. They said that, and this is what you usually see. It's just some JavaScript pop up in some way, or what they did. You know, I really not sure, but they really just say that you're gonna contact this you know, phone number, and then you're gonna talk to someone, and they're gonna scam you for your money. So I don't think this has anything to do, but I just gonna jump directly to WordPress, and what we see here is an incomplete WordPress website. Of course we care. Mario background, best tech support. We could enumerate this site. You know, I think would probably not be a bad idea to start up something. Now, since we know this is a WordPress site and stuff, let's just VP scan here. And what we basically gonna do is this is VP scan UL, then 10.10.148.21. I think that's gonna be sufficient just for start. I wanted, yes, I want to update it. So it's been a while. Scan aborted, but seems to be running. But let's do sudo in front of it, just be sure. So we're updating the database. Up, doesn't seem to be running WordPress. Oh, sorry, WordPress. Let's do HTTP in front now. There we go. So let's, and the scan came back. It took a few seconds really, but let's just see what we get here. We get interesting findings. It's a header. We got the Apache name. Yeah. Okay. So we got some XML stuff going on here. We can do. Yeah, nothing really interesting so far. We found a README file. Yeah. Okay. So we got the uploads. So that's good, I guess. And very standard, all of them the very standard path. I'm not really gonna bother with that. So we're WordPress insecure released. Something emoji. Maybe that's gonna be it's JavaScript. Yeah, I don't know. Texilla, README, more stuff again. Let's see. Found by enumerating all plugins. No plugins found. Yeah, let's see. So, yeah. Okay, I'm not really sure if this is that interesting, but definitely something to look at if we get to that part. Now, I think we need to go back just a tad, because we did discover SMB. And usually when you get MCB and you get some stuff back, you know, from Nmap, it is because we need to take a look at it. Very interesting that it keeps starting in full screen. I didn't do that. So let's do a SMB client, that's H, I think it is, 10.10.148.21. And no, it was not. Let me just see my notes. What is it again? SM map. There we go. So let's map the content. I'll just see if we can get that a bit more clear. of course. We need to make it wide. Let's clear one more time. And I need the full screen. It kind of got it. Okay, so we got a print, no access. We have something read only and something no access IPC tech support server Ubuntu. But I think we're gonna do this. We're gonna read this. So let's see. It's SMB client, and now it's a lot of backslashes. I think it is. So let's see if we can make these 1, 2, 3, 4 backslashes for the. I think it's. I don't really remember, but I think it's because we need to escape or something, or it's server. Or, I don't exactly remember why. We need the IP address in front, of course. 10.10.148.21/ one more time. 2 slashes to be honest, and the password I don't know. All right, we got in. So let's see. Okay, we have a let's get this. Yeah, I think that's it really. So let's go ahead and say cat enter.text. And oh, so okay. This is I have no idea what just got. I just tried something, and what we really I think what we have here is a instruction file for make fake pop-up and host online on DigitalOcean server. Fix Subrian site. Subrian doesn't work. Edit from panel. Edit WordPress website. And Suprian creds is admin, and then we have a hash. Cook with magical formula WordPress creds. So what if we take this URL there, go to the WordPress side? Is that the WordPress side? No, maybe just without. It does. Just think. Well, I get. We're just trying stuff now. Okay. So this is something to think about. That's weird. How do we add? Fix edit from panel. Is this where I do /panel? What did I just do? Panel. Oh yeah, it's the wrong website. I have no idea. I thought I was on the. It's allowed to be a bit discreet in the morning here. Okay. Subrian and then panel. All right. So we have a website and it's a login. Let's try SQL injection login. No. Okay, so that probably doesn't work. It's a CMS. We could. Now let's just. This looks like. So the different sizes, different capitalized, non-capitalized, probably base 64. So let's do cyber chef. Let's put it there in the top, hocus pocus, and let's say from now. Not base 64. Also, it says cook with magical formula. Oh, we have a formula here called magic, and whoa. And what is this? Big scam 2021. That is the password then. So if I take this and do admin scam 2021, Will I get access? Oh, I got access. Total income. Oh, what is small text? So I guess this is probably something with upload now or whatever we're gonna do. Let's just have a check here. What is that? No. Panel. Okay, so points to nothing. Points to nothing. This is the user. Drag and drop images. We could try. What is this? I've not really. Can we get a name of this? Is this PHP? It looks like it is because we have PHP info just right there and sitemap and stuff and upload. So what I think we should do is try and upload a PHP script. Just anything. Whoops. Basically just shell works, I guess, and just error. What is wrong? We must have at least one administrator member. I don't know. Okay. Well, it was just one of them. What is this logout? So let's see what it's. Oh, it's small. So we have content, freight uploads. And what is this? New folder, new text file, upload files. Wow, I see. Select files, PHP, shell. Just okay. So preview. Very interesting. Can I see the path of this? Get info. Upload shell.php. Well, I've okay. So can I actually call it like that? Properly? Let's just... I don't remember exactly what I did here, but I think it was like... probably that, you know, it should probably be that. It was too easy. Let's... link? Forbidden? Maybe that is just too easy. Alright, so we tried a few things. Not really sure where with the uploads, what else I should do about those. But I think it's about time to go to exploit DB. This is called Subrion or something like that. Let's just see Subrion. Processing. It's gonna take a while. So exploits. Arbitrary file upload. Remote code execution. I like that. You know, that sounds interesting. Is this a write-up or is it not? Because I'm not going to use that. It doesn't look like a write-up, so I'm using it. What version do we have? 5.2.1. Okay. 5.2.1. So what we have here is my lovely Python script. And this is the... okay, so we basically just gonna write this. And wow, okay, so... Okay, we have it. We have passwords and stuff. Yes. Let's just take this file, raw, and go back to panel. Not that. I think we're gonna use that and just clear. We get this and then. Is this Python 3 or whatever? Let's do Python 3. Soup. Sub. It's not gonna tell anything bad, so it's good. Let's go back and say. So they want me to fill in this. So the -u is. Oh, this is gonna be a good one. 10, 10, 184, 21, and we need. I think it's HTTP front, and we probably need Suprion, I guess. And we then need a -L for admin and a -P for scam 2021. Success. Login. No. I did write that the correct way. One more time. Oh, maybe the slash was needed. Trying to log in. Well, would seem we have a shell. Alrighty then. So we see our own shell. So I can say who am I? Who am I? ID. Who am I? Who am I? Thank you. I'm data sudo -l. Let's see what we can do. No. One back. I cannot do that. Cat. GC password. Sorry for that. Just try stuff. You know, this is just something you're gonna do. Okay, so we can see stuff. There's a root user. They got a password. So it's good, I guess. We have MySQL message bus. Doesn't seem like we have any interesting users to scam side. No, that's. Yeah, it doesn't seem we have any interesting users to directly just go to. Can we also see? Let's just try this. Nah. Okay. Alright, so let's see if we can upgrade the shell. And I need some notes because I don't remember all this by head. Is this my notes? My cheat sheet? I think that is my cheat sheet, to be honest. Why is this so small? What did I use this? Let's just try and get ourselves a better shell. That's not what I did exactly. Oh, that one. What is this weird cup? No. Open with mousepad. Thank you. Let's paste it. Do we have Python? We have nothing. Okay, so we don't have anything interesting right here, I think. One last thing I'm gonna try is you cannot change anything. Let's do cat/var/vvv HTML. Can't do that. Oh, sorry, not cat. ls var I need to hit. Okay, so we can read stuff. So what if we ls var WordPress, and we can read the config file. I think that would be okay. /cat var, probably not the most efficient way, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Great. And we do have some password stuff going on here, so let's copy paste that. Just take it into a new one. So we have a support and I'm a scammer. Is this a username we can directly use? Can I? No. We kind of need to do something about this shell. It's kind of restrictive in a way. Can I do something here? Well, I'm not really sure. It doesn't seem like it. So what if we're just gonna try stuff now. So let me just take this down before I try and upgrade to a different shell. Let me just try this one time. So 10, 28, 21 as support. Done. Yes. And the passwords basically just, I don't know if this is gonna work. You know, it's a wildcard. Just gonna try. Yeah, and we did. So this is not the way. So now, but we're still in, and I just don't feel like dropping the shell. It is just, this is my shell. So I think we got a user, but not really sure we're gonna use that. I think what we're gonna do now is basically go out of the shell and find a new way. Alright, so we got something. Let's go back again. It came up. So we have crossover case forgery version 2.4 arbitrary file upload. I think we're gonna try that now. And what's slow today? The arbitrary file upload is gonna be. I don't like using scripts just always, but let's just have a look at this. It's a part file. Okay. So we'll upload stuff. So basically we could just take all this, I guess, and copy it, go to this place here, and let's just call it arbitrary file upload afu.php. Is it pi, sorry. Then nano into afu and take this there, and then do Python 3. I just like to execute directly. So -u is the 10 something. Let me just see one more time. 148.21, and it's gonna be http/ and then suprium/panel. Okay. Success. Do we need some sort of... Oh yeah, we need to do the... Isn't this the same as before? It does look like it, so let me just try. It looks exactly the same. Does the same thing, and now I can get a slash then? Yeah, but I don't need that kind of backdoor. I'm just trying stuff, you know. Also, I guess we just try stuff and can do Python? No. Okay, so we do have the actual web shell there, and that is good, I guess. I guess that is okay, because then we can go to the we can do a netcat, I guess, which is better, and then go to not that, and which one is it? The KHR, that one. Preview. Oh, it's the system command. Okay. Can I? This room is getting on me nerves, so let's do that. And then we should do something with it. What about the other files we have? What is this? Preview. So, can I actually... That's a fun thing, because I can actually run this file here, but the PHP file I cannot. So if I do a edit file, I can do that. So let's go to pentest. Yeah, let's do pentest monkey PHP shell. And then let's take this here and do a raw, copy paste all this there, and go in the top and say hocus pocus 4444 10 11 020. Is it 0201? I keep forgetting my own IP address for this. Let's just do sudo ifconfig 10.11.0.2.1. Save. Get info. Hey, we got a normal shell. Okay, so now we got something. Who am I? So let's try to get this upgraded now, because this is extremely bad. So let's copy paste, copy pasta. I'm being friendly today. Great. So now we have a better shell, the sudo-l. We cannot do that. Let's try to SU into support. No. I just thought it looked too weird. No, it doesn't do anything. So now we have a better shell. Let's try and do different kind of. So I think let's do another cat of the etc password, and we do have another user here I totally missed that in the home folder. And I don't know. Is this our user? I am a scammer, lol. Let's just try that, you know. Oh, it is. Oh, great. So, okay. Can I even further upgrade this because it's getting... No, I think it's because I have the... Doesn't really matter, I guess. So let's do a /home cd scam site, and we have a I don't think we need any. Yeah, this is our file for our Samba share. I don't think we need anything else but the root flag. Isn't that true? Okay, so that is true. So no, we cannot do that. So let's just do something crazy here. There we go. Okay, so let's what was I going to do? Sudo L. There you go. Okay, so we got something here. Mail bot pass. We got something here. Users are allowed to run commands on using the iCuff. I have no idea what that is. ID. Bin. SH. Oh snap. Oh, issue. Link scam sites. Oh yeah. This is the pain of doing all this one more time. Scam sites. But it's the way it is. We learn while we go, and we make some mistakes. Thank you, Linux system. Yep. You're not my best friend right now. Let's do one more time. Copy. Thank you. And basically, let's just do a export that. We'll go in clear screen. So now we have some colors. sudo-l. This is something we do have. I have no idea what that is, I must be honest. So let's do a can I just SSH 1010 no scam site #1010 148.21, and can I just want to quickly try if this is possible, because then I don't have to have this PHP thing running. Okay, so we're gonna keep this and scratch the other shell directly back to hell. So let's get this a kick in the somewhere, and boom, there we go. And now that we have a real shell without even upgrading anything, now this is extremely good. Go away. I can do my tapping and sudo-ls, and no matter what I do now, I cannot fuck up. So iCuff, no idea what that is. Okay, we have something here. It's a file read sudo. Well, it would seem that we can do something with it. So I think what we're gonna do now is basically take this and go like that, and then instead say user / bin. Sneaky. No. Why not? Oh, sorry. Sudo. Every time I have to type this password, I'm getting the jingles. Command not found. Oh, there we go. What is this? Just that, isn't it? Let's just take this, and it was a long room. There we go. Okay, so easy. You know, I did medium rooms that was more difficult than this. But yeah, I guess we could basically, you know, we could basically do stuff like, while we're here, etc shadow, and then we can get the root, you know, hash, and we can basically try and break it, brute force it. You know, I'm not gonna do this, but that is, you know, the proof right here. Or we could do it. We could probably even do bin sh, I assume. No, we're gonna do that. It's only gonna read a file, so yeah, okay. Probably me. I just did something crazy. I assume that we could also, this is the, yeah, file write. I assume what we could do here is basically data to a location. So we could probably write our own SSH key, the ID RSA. We can create our own, so we could probably put our own public key, I guess. But you know, it's just ideas. I don't think we need to do more right now. I think this video is 42 minutes. Oh my god, it's getting a long video. You know, I just wanted to show you. I think this room is very interesting, but I also think that I definitely used a lot of time doing this, and yeah, I would probably, there was many blind, you know, many things to investigate, and it was a little weird that I could execute the par file. So we could probably do par file. What is that? It is a PHP archive, you know, and I didn't really, I don't know all these kind of weird, you know, archive things, and you're just gonna do some research. How much time would this have taken if I should, you know, record whatever I just looked up while I took a break? I got a drink meanwhile as well, so you know, time just passed by. So basically, I think I like this room. It's very interesting. I think I'm gonna find number 2 if there's number 2, and do a video about that. And also, then I really hope you learned something for this video, even though it was kind of long. If you did learn something, please consider subscribing to my channel. Leave a comment below. Even post what you learned, you know. And yeah, it's my birthday today, so yeah, happy me. See you out there.